Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can merge your videos with audio in CapCut PC. So for instance, I have this video here and I want to merge it with an audio into just like one whole clip. I'm going to scroll down and I'm just going to add in like an audio. For instance, I'm going to add a few audio, just like recordings here and there. And for instance, I want to merge it into one clip. Oh my god, I can't even select this because it's too small. Select everything that you want to merge. You can also do it with text, stickers, filter effects, etc. Right click, create compound clip, and as you can see now it's like in one clip. To edit it, you can double click on it and you can add more audio, but you can go back here to see the merged clip. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!